Thank you, Kelly. And when it comes to contact tracing for COVID cases, it's always been a difficult and probably very expensive process for some local county governments.
And with the overwhelming volume of infection in the community currently, it is apparently something they may not be able to do that much more of anymore. Channel 2's Ron Plants has more for us tonight.
Contact tracing was thought to be a crucial tool in the early days of the pandemic, with that official warning to anyone who was in close contact or thought to be the original carrier. And it was paid for with extra state and federal funding to help more rural counties pay for the actual staff during the tracing. But now it won't work for them as the counties are just overburdened.
When we went from 900 the week before last to 2,900 new cases, new positives last week. 900 to 2,900. We can't handle that type. We can't have more than triple the numbers and still be able to do that.
So with limited staffing and other responsibilities like ongoing vaccination clinics, test at home kit distribution, and general health department tasks, they're turning over some of the tracing responsibility for infected people back to the state. And for those people to self-report on the county's website and get instructions there for quarantining along with return to work forms. But they'll still help anybody who lacks digital access or can't figure it out.
We're not shutting off anybody, but we've been finding out that most people are happier to do it that way. We educate them to get these forms themselves rather than waiting for us, because that can take days and days to get that.
That's perhaps even beyond the now recommended 5-day quarantine period for those infected or deemed close contacts. Genesee and Orleans County Health Director says they must do the same to conserve resources, but they will still scrutinize outbreaks in a nursing home or some other group living institution, as well as help schools with their cases.
And we're going to continue to work with the schools on a daily basis. Our priority is to make sure kids stay in school. So to do that, we need to work with the schools, work with the parents, work with the families.
Ron Plants, Channel 2 News.